you guys, welcome to another video. I have not posted in quite some time, as you guys can tell. I have just been off of my budgeting game. I'm just gonna be honest right off the rip, and this video, as you can tell by the title, is pretty much me starting over. Now, I have not counted my sinking funds in a very long time, but since my last video, I have been pulling out of them. And, you know, sinking funds are for those reasons, right? When things come up, things that you've planned for. So before we jump into it, I know this is going to be really bad. It's going to be, there's barely any money in here, I feel. Appreciate you guys still being here and still supporting me and watching. This is real life, and I hope you guys enjoy me counting what's in here. I have no idea. I literally have no idea, you guys. But thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you have not. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I will leave everything linked down below. And also, for, you know, since you guys are just so amazing and it's been quite some time since I've made a video, I wanted to offer you guys a discount. I have never done a discount before on my website, so I figured this is the perfect time if you guys want to stock up to get everything ready, because it's like pretty much end of the year. If you need new envelopes, new categories, new binders, some savings challenges, anything like that, I'm going to give you guys 20% off, and it's just especially for you, for my YouTube family, because you guys are amazing. So 20% off the entire website for physical products. So yeah, I'll leave the code, all the information here on the screen and down below. But let's get into it. As I mentioned in the intro, I have not looked into these binders in quite some time. I've been pulling out of them. I had a lot of issues with my car at one point. I had a lot of family stuff going on, and I had to move around some money. I went to Greece. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know I was in Greece for like 10 days. So all the money I saved up for travel for Greece all got emptied out because I was traveling, obviously, and I saved that money for that particular trip, but I have to say it still hurts when you pull the money out and then your sinking funds are low. So I'm going to stop talking and we're just going to get right into it. Again, I'll link everything down below. This app that I'm using on my iPad here is the, what's it called? Good Notes app. So you can download that, and then I have this PDF file on the website as well. So we're going to do a sinking funds update. Let's see what we have in here for September to start out. September. You guys, we were back. I zoomed in a little bit more and I put in the categories already because it's going to save us some time. So 2 categories that I already eliminated, I just wanted to show you here, are Bachelorette and Greece. So Bachelorette, obviously my cousin's Bachelorette already passed, so we can go in and delete that. And then Greece, also, I already took my Greece trip. It was so much fun. I have a Greece vlog on my main channel, my lifestyle channel, so check that out if you want to. Those 2 envelopes are empty, gone. They might not be gone. I might have to take them out. I'm not sure. But we're going to delete them from our sinking funds category because we don't need them. So car insurance, nothing. We have $0 in car insurance because I paid my car insurance in July, so that got completely taken out, which that was what it was expected. Car maintenance, nothing. My car, I had to fix so many things on my car, and I guess I knew I had it coming, but I just, again, it was a big hit and wasn't too happy about that. Debt snowball, nothing. I think I just took it out and it went towards debt because I had like $100 in there. So that is starting over. Emergency, I still have money in emergency. I don't know how much, but let's see. 100, 200, 300, 400, 405, 410. So 410 in emergency. Again, the past few months have been kind of crazy, and I was just pulling money out and not keeping track of it. I fell off, you guys, and life happens, and sometimes that happens. All right, Greece, we don't need because Greece is over. I'm so sad, but it was such a good time, and no regrets. Okay, Invest has nothing. Great. We're off to a great start, you guys. Medical still has money, so let's see how much we have in medical. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 605. All right, 605 in medical, so that's nice. 605. Okay, and then new car. New car still has money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 610 in new car. New phone is empty. I don't remember why this is empty, but it is, so we're just gonna go with it. Again, things happen. Travel also empty because I spent all my travel money in Greece. All right, so that is my long-term sinkings fund binder. Now we're back to the short term. Whew, I don't even know what's going on in here, honestly. Okay, beauty. Beauty has, oh, there's some money in beauty. Okay, let me move this up a little more. 50, 60, 75. All right, beauty has 75, which I really should get a haircut soon, but do I need it? Not really. Business is 0. Had to buy supplies and some other things. Things broke. Had to replace them. So that has 0. Date night has, I did go on a date night. If you follow my main channel, my lifestyle channel, I finally took myself on a date, a solo date. So that's why this only has 50. So I remember doing that. So I did vlog a part of it. So if you want to check that out, it was in a vlog. Date night. Okay, family. Family has, let's see, 150, 60, 70, 80, 95. 195 in family, which is nice, but I'm going to be spending out of that soon because my niece's birthday is coming up and I have to get her something. So yeah, and that either comes out of family or special occasions, but I don't know. All right, home has money. 50, 60, 75. 75 in home. Again, this is one that I don't really pull from. I don't need much for the apartment right now. 75. My envelope is empty. I went shopping, so that has 0. And I specifically remember doing that. Pet care has some money in here. $55 in pet care. So that's not terrible. 55. And then special occasions. So as you can see, I did most of my spending from my long-term sinking funds because they're for specific things and everything just happened at once, I swear. So my short-term binder isn't as bad. So 10, 20, 35. Oh, $35 in special occasions. That is not that much. Okay, 35 in special occasions. All right, you guys, so there's my sinking funds. They look kind of sad right now from the numbers that we're used to seeing, but again, I'm pretty much starting over. So let me total everything up and see what we are starting over with. I will be right back. So here's our total. $2,110. Now, if you guys know me, you guys know, I think the last time we did a sinking funds update, I might have had like $6,000 in here. I don't know. It's a huge difference, drastic change, but this is me starting over and showing you guys that it's okay to start over. It's okay to fall off, and you just gotta come back and come back strong and confident. So that is everything for my sinking funds update for September. I'm happy to be back, and I'm so excited to, you know, film more videos for you guys. And I have some new savings challenges in the works, new designs, all of that. But I'm really also excited to give you guys a discount for the first time. So check out the website if you're looking for new cash envelopes or savings challenges or anything like that, because it is a time to stock up. Because the end of the year means the new year is coming. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much for your support. I love you, and please subscribe, comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Leave any requests down below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much. Bye!